When I heard about this retro dessert called poke cake, I immediately thought Memorial Day. So first made a compote of blackberries, blueberries, sugar, water, vanilla, cornstarch, and a little salt. And I simmered that for about 10 minutes. And then just blend the berry mixture until it's smooth. Now, in the meantime, I had made a cake out of just a box mix, lemon. I used lemon. And now I'm going to poke holes in that cake, hence the word poke cake. Poke all the way to the bottom, fill the holes with the berry mixture, and then chill for at least 2 hours. Now this part's important. Mark the center of the rose so that when you slice it, you'll see the stripes going all the way down. Then top it with whipped cream and swirl in some of the reserved compote, and there you have it.